Okay, now, how different are men and women?
Is there such a thing as a male or a female brain?
We'll get some answers in the A&E special presentation, The Opposite Sex, tomorrow.
Now, a political rally turns deadly when a black leader is shot. Join us for Law and Order, next on A&E.
Now it's ready.
Tuesday. Murder, mystery, suspense. They're no match for super sleuth Jessica Fletcher.
Crime is my beat. Murder my specialty.
Murder, She Wrote on USA. Then,
Grandma, it's me, Luke. Luke. They turned me into a mouse.
one small boy puts his courage to the test against the witches on Lifetime.
When an antique cannon arouses interest, Lovejoy finds himself headed towards a barrel full of trouble. And a barrel full of beer. On Lovejoy Mysteries. Tomorrow on A&E.
A&E's Ancient Mysteries is brought to you in part by Volvo and by MasterCard.